Hey guys, alright, we're going to go ahead and move on to video 4 here. I've already started this set of assemblies. This basically is putting the front Z gantry plate that we've already built along with the rear X gantry plate that we've already built. We're basically going to take and put bolts through here, run wheels through here, and tighten these to where they're just right. Again, guys, really watch all the tightening that you do on the eccentric spacers. There's no reason to go crazy with these things. Again, this is, I don't even have this one bolted together yet, and I'm able to put a good amount of force on it, not move. They're very sturdy. We're just looking for a good, smooth, linear system. Alright, so that's what we're going to do in this video. For the bomb, I've got, as I said, half of it is already installed. I'll have a total of 8 M5x60 bolts, total of 8 M5 nylock nuts. We're still going to use Loctite as well. I'll have 8 in total 9mm spacers, and in total I'll have 16, let's see, correct, 16 6mm mini eccentric spacers, along with 16 extreme wheels. That'll be basically 8 over here, 8 over here, and we've got these spaced out where everything distributes really nicely. We still have our block in the back for the Acme adjustment, and our Z plate, of course, will ride right here. So I'll show you that here in just a second. So let's get started building then. Alright guys, so to install this, we'll kind of speed through this because it's pretty simple. We follow the same procedure. We're going to take and insert one of these M5x60s in here. These will come from the Z plate direction. They barely skim. Took a lot of work to get them there. I'm going to put a 6mm eccentric, an extreme wheel, 9mm spacer, the eccentric on the other side. Takes a little bit of handiwork here. And drop the wheel in. Now I'm just going to run the bolt all the way through. And it looks like my eccentric's going to give me a little bit of trouble here. Dried on me from yesterday. Don't want to tighten these down yet. It'll make it next to impossible to install the next one. So I'm going to go ahead and put another eccentric. Oh, these are good tightening. We have Loctite on them and Nylock, so we don't need to go crazy with it. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and set our centric spacers. I want you to be very particular about how you do this. Again, we don't want to go super crazy with these. We just want it to give a slight drag on the C-beam itself. Alright, feels pretty nice. It's a little too tight. There we go, a little slip. Now, when you're adjusting these top wheels, it's you gotta watch out, because when you adjust this one, if you go too tight on it and you adjust this one, it actually brings the whole level down and you'll be over tight on this wheel. We'll go ahead and back this one off just a touch more. Bring this one in a little bit. Said this is just an 8mm combination wrench. Okay. Touch. Tight. There we go. Alright, so I can still turn them by hand, but I can also turn the bar with them. Go ahead and go to the next set, and we're going to keep doing the same thing all the way around this gantry plate. This one's a touch too tight. Alright guys, that's it. We're going to continue to do that to this set, and this set. And even though I don't have those set right now, they're not even touching the beam at all, I can see that I have something that's very firm. A great build. Remind me to clean the Loctite off the wheels there. Maybe a little tight. But what I have is something that flows freely in two planes here and is extremely rigid. Alright, well, I'm going to finish tightening up these wheels and get us ready for the next build video. Thanks.